Dihybrid cross is a cross between two parents having two pairs of contrasting characters. Di means two. So we have taken two parents having two pairs of contrasting characters. So for the parent generation, we have taken guinea pigs. Okay, two guinea pigs. One will be obviously male and another will be female. Okay, so in these two guinea pigs, there are two pairs of contrasting character are taken into account. So the first pair of contrasting character is the color of the hair. One guinea pig is having black color hair and the contrasting feature of it is white color hair. Okay, so another guinea pig will have white color hair. So that will be the first pair of contrasting character. The second pair of contrasting character is the texture of the hair. So in one of the case, the hair is rough. Okay, and another case, the contrasting feature of it will be rough. Of the contrasting character of rough is smooth. So another guinea pig will be having smooth hair. Okay, so over here we can see that two pairs of contrasting characters we are comparing. One of the guinea pig is having black color hair, but the hair is rough. Black and rough hair guinea pig. Another guinea pig is having white color hair and the hair is very smooth. So contrasting of black is white and contrasting of rough is smooth. So over here we have taken two pairs of contrasting characters. Okay. So next is your allele. The allele for the black hair will be capital B, capital B. Okay. Because black will be dominating over the white hair. Alright. And similarly the alleles for the rough hair also we need to write. Okay. So the alleles for the rough hair will be R for rough. Okay, that's why you have written R. And over here, both the alleles are same. The genes are same, which means it is the rough character is also, and it is written in capital letter, which means it is also dominating over the smooth. All right. So the alleles for the black hair is capital B, and the allele for the rough hair is capital R, because black and rough is dominating over white and smooth. So since we are comparing black with white, so for the white, the alleles will be small b, and small letter represents that it is recessive. And we are comparing rough with smooth. That's why for smooth, we are representing small letter R. Okay, because smooth is also recessive character. Okay, so from here only we can see that these are two pairs of contrasting character. This is the first pair. Capital B is compared with small b, first pair of contrasting character. And the next pair is capital R, which is rough, and next is small r, which is smooth. So over here you can see that if we compare the color of the hair, capital B, that means both the genes are same. That means it is your pure black. And if you compare the hair texture, capital R, both the genes are same. That means it is also your pure rough hair. Alright, so it is homozygous, or we can also call it pure. In the next parent also we can see that small b, both the genes are same. So this is also your pure white. Small r, same. The genes are same. That means it is also your pure, or we can also say homozygous smooth hair guinea pig. Alright, and the next is the gamete formation step. In the gamete formation step, the gamete will carry two genes. Okay, because it is a dihybrid cross. Okay, and the gamete will carry, since over here the parent is your pure black, so it will always carry capital B genes only. Okay, B genes represents black. And the next character is the hair texture. So since both the genes are similar, it is pure rough hair, so the gametes will carry capital R gene. So the gametes produced by this parent will always carry capital B and capital R genes. Okay, and the gamete which will be produced by this parent will always carry small b genes, which represents white character. Okay, and small r genes, which represents the smooth character. Okay, so the gametes will be always produced by these two individuals will always carry, one of the parent will always carry capital B, capital R genes. Okay, and another parent will always carry, the gametes will always carry small b and small r genes. Okay, now the next step is the F1 generation or the offspring generation. So in the offspring formation, the male gametes and the female gametes will unite, and when the male and the female gametes unite, they produce this type of genotype. Now over here we can see we are comparing black with, capital B is black and small b is white. So black we are comparing with white. So these two we need to write together. Okay, B and capital B and small b. And we are comparing rough, capital R is rough and small r is smooth. So we are comparing rough with smooth. So capital R and small r is written together. So this type of genotype will be present in the organism which will be, or the offspring which will be produced in the F1 generation. So as you can see over here, if you have a closer look, okay, we can see that we are comparing these two and we are comparing these two. So in this case, we can see that both the genes are different. Okay, one is capital and another is small. So this is not pure. This will obviously be hybrid. And out here also we can see one is capital letter and another is small letter. That means these are not same. So this is also not pure. This is also hybrid. So the offspring will not be pure. The offspring will be hybrid. All right. Now we will check whether the offspring will be black color here or white color here. So in this case, color of the hair is related, okay, for this. So over here we can see one is capital letter B and another is small letter b. So in this case we know that capital B, that is the black hair character. Okay, black hair character was dominating over the white hair. Even if the white hair genes are there, but it could not express itself because the black hair character is dominating. So the offspring, that is this hybrid, will, the color of the hair of the offspring will be black. It is hybrid and the color of the hair is black. Okay, and let's check the texture of the hair. Okay, so capital R is rough, small r is smooth. So in this case we know that capital R is rough, so R is dominating. Okay, so the color of the hair of this hybrid organism will be black and the texture will be R, for capital R is dominating, so it will be rough. So the offspring that will be produced in the F1 generation, all the offspring, that is 100%, all the offsprings will be hybrid, and the hybrid offspring will be black in, the color of the hair will be black in color and the hair texture will be rough. So hybrid black rough hair guinea pig will be born in the F1 generation. That means all the offspring 100%. So from here we can see that the offspring, the hybrid, okay, is having the recessive character also. Small b means white and small r means smooth. So this recessive character is also there, but it could not express itself in the F1 generation.